More and more cars are supporting CarPlay, but only a few do it wirelessly. Let's check out this little adapter that can convert CarPlay from wired to wireless on my 2021 Kia Telluride. It also supports many other vehicles. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing. In today's video, let's unbox this Carlinkit wireless CarPlay adapter. See if it's really easy to set up and how well it works. Like many cars these days, my Kia Telluride, a great car to haul the kids around by the way, comes with wired Apple CarPlay support. It has a very convenient built-in Qi charging pad to charge my phone, but I still have to plug the phone in to use the CarPlay anyway. This little adapter can supposedly change that. Let's see what comes in the box. There's a simple manual in both English and Chinese, the adapter, and a short USB-A to USB-C cable. That's it. The adapter is quite small, about 8 by 4.5 centimeters and a bit over 1 centimeter thick. It's all plastic in glossy black, matte black on the bottom. On one end, there's a USB-C port that connects to the car and a pass-through USB-A port on the other side for charging the phone if needed. On the top, there is a Carlinkit logo along with the indicator light. The adapter actually has both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth hardware inside. It connects to the phone in Bluetooth first to send the Wi-Fi credentials to the phone. It then disconnects from the Bluetooth network and works just on Wi-Fi. Alright, let's plug it in and see how it sets up and works. Make sure the phone's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both on. Let's start the car. It should detect the adapter. Takes a while. Okay, there it is. It says, please use your phone to connect to Bluetooth. Just like connecting to any Bluetooth device on the phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth. You can see here it is under Other Devices. Click on it to connect and hit Pair. Voila! It's now connected. No wires needed. Let's see if there's any lag. Not too bad. Let's start a song on Spotify and see if the controls on the steering wheel still work. Skipping songs, forward and backwards, work just fine. Great. Maybe just a little more lag than the wired CarPlay connection, but not too much. Sound quality seemed to not degrade too much compared to the wired CarPlay since the data is actually going through Wi-Fi, not Bluetooth. In my initial test drive, the navigation prompts do have a delay, but not too much, so it's still usable. I'll report back if that's not the case after using it on longer drives under different conditions. Okay, let's turn the car off. The indicator light goes off and CarPlay disconnects as expected. Good. Let's turn the car back on and see how long it takes for everything to start up. Once it's set up, the adapter will look for the connection automatically. And when I connect both my phone and my wife's phone to the adapter, it'll start up and connect to the last one used. There it goes. Alright, that took about 30 seconds. Not too bad. Wireless CarPlay on my 2021 Kia Telluride. No wires needed. This Carlinkit is very easy to set up indeed, and it works. I plan to Velcro this adapter to the top side of this cubby hole, right above the built-in Qi wireless charger, for a very clean look. From now on, I just need to place my phone on the charger. CarPlay will connect wirelessly while my phone gets charged, also wirelessly. Great. This Carlinkit wireless CarPlay adapter is not cheap at $129 US. There's a $25 discount now in the link in the description below, so that's more reasonable. You can also check if this adapter is compatible with your car in the link below. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please help me by clicking the like button and sharing it with your friends. If you have any questions on this adapter, let me know in the comments below. I'll try my best to help. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, cherish each moment.